How to use MetaMask, easy tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can get started with MetaMask. So let's get into it. Now, MetaMask is a crypto wallet, and you can see I have MetaMask installed over here, and it's very simple to use. It allows you to make instant crypto transactions and store your crypto holdings in a safe and effective manner. So to get started, all you need to do is head on over to metamask.io. Now, MetaMask has a bunch of different features. Not only can you store your cryptocurrency in the MetaMask wallet, but you also have EIP 1559, and you can also directly buy crypto on MetaMask. Plus, it is based on a simple blockchain application. It is trusted globally by over 30 million users, so it is one of the most popular crypto wallets that is out there. Plus, it is widely used on OpenSea. If you're trading on OpenSea, if you want to get into the NFT game, then using a crypto wallet that is MetaMask is going to be beneficial for you because that is what the majority of people are operating on. So to get started, all you have to do is click on download over here. And then you're going to choose your device. So they have a Android application, they have a iOS application, and a Chrome web extension. So you're going to click on install MetaMask for Chrome. And once you do that, this will head on over to the Chrome web store. And I will actually remove my MetaMask and show you guys step by step how to set it up. So after that, I'm just going to go back into the Chrome web store, and I'm simply going to click on add to Chrome. You're going to click on add extension. And once you do that, it takes a couple of seconds for the download to be completed, and MetaMask will be added to your extension. So we're just going to wait for a few seconds. And now you can see MetaMask has now been added. Now I'm just going to pin MetaMask, and you can see a new tab is going to open on your Chrome web browser. So you will just click on get started over here. You're going to click on I agree, and then you have two options. If you previously created a MetaMask account, you're going to use a secret recovery phrase to get access to your account again. If you don't, then you're just going to click on yes, let's get set up. Now, after that, you're just going to enter a simple password as you would with any place. And after that, you're going to agree to the terms of service and simply click on create over here. Once you do that, you're just going to click on next, and you will get this screen over here. So this is a very important part whenever you're setting your account up. You're going to get a secret recovery phrase. Now, it's very essential that you go on ahead and write down this phrase or memorize it, or at least for the time being, write it down on a piece of paper. I wouldn't recommend that you put it on the cloud or save it with the rest of your passwords, because this phrase actually is going to hold all of your crypto security. So this is going to allow you to access your account if you ever log out of your account, or to access your account if you're on a different device. And it's more important than even your password. So we're just going to click on next over here, and then you'll have to confirm your secret recovery phrase. So I'm just going to confirm my secret recovery phrase over here. And once you have confirmed your recovery phrase, your account will be created. So that is how simple it is to get started with your account. So my account has now been created. Now, what are the functionalities of MetaMask, and what are some of the features that we can get started with? First off is to deposit your crypto tokens. Now, if you have your crypto tokens in a market exchange such as Binance or Pionex or any other market exchange like Coinbase, then you can send your funds over to your MetaMask wallet instead. If you want to, just keep your funds, you don't want to spend them, or you don't want to trade anymore, then you can store your funds in your wallet. For that, all you have to do is go into Binance and simply click on your wallet over here. And once you click on your wallet, you're just going to go into the wallet overview. And once you go into your wallet overview, you can simply click on send. And send is the simple way to send on your, a email or another Binance account, but you're going to click on transfer over here, and then you can transfer the amount. So just going into the withdraw section, you're going to click on withdraw crypto. And once you click on withdraw crypto, you're simply going to input the address of your MetaMask wallet. So you can see this is the address of your wallet. You're going to copy and paste that onto Binance. Currently, Binance has, for some reason, temporarily disabled this function. However, it's pretty simple and easy to move your funds to MetaMask once the function will be restarted. Now, other than that, you can also directly buy on MetaMask. So for that, you can just open up your wallet. You can even open up from the extension section on the top right of your screen as well, and click on buy over here. Then you can see you have multiple different options such as Coinbase Pay, Transact, MoonPay, or Wire, or directly deposit Ethereum. So you can purchase directly off of MetaMask's application, but you're not buying with MetaMask. So you're using another third-party exchange platform to purchase your crypto, and it will be directly put into your MetaMask account. So that is one way to get crypto tokens as well. However, this is not a MetaMask exchange or MetaMask marketplace, and we are going to be buying from these other platforms and directly depositing onto MetaMask. Now, after that, you also have sending features, so you can simply put in any kind of address for any other crypto wallet and send tokens over there as well as swap. So if you go into the swap section over here, you can go on ahead and select any kind of tokens. You can swap your Ethereum or any token that you have for any other type of token. You can even do this with stable coins or any other, or up and coming coins. So you have quite a large option to change or broaden your portfolio on MetaMask. So we have buying, sending, and swapping. What else can you do on MetaMask? Well, you can see on the bottom we have all our tokens. You have your portfolio site as well. But another great feature of MetaMask is that currently we are functioning on the Ethereum mainnet. However, you can just click on add network over here and add any network name, or you can go on to PancakeSwap and swap your network. So instead of Ethereum, I can move on to the BNB Smart Chain or Aptos chain. So in this way, switch your Ethereum mainnet wallet into any other kind of wallet as well. And this is going to be helpful if you want to, purchase different kinds of NFTs or store different kinds of tokens, because you're going to be able to OpenSea and you are exploring the NFTs, and you actually see that you have a bunch of different NFTs that are coming up in the Solana market. So you can actually convert your MetaMask wallet into a Solana mainnet wallet instead of Ethereum mainnet, and this will enable you to increase your purchasing power with a singular account without having to install 5 or 6 different wallets to just purchase or browse the chain of blockchain that you want. So this is another feature that is super helpful on MetaMask. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.